Hey everyone, Tanner Bell here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited today because we're creating an amazing 3D paper box snowman. It is a Cricut Make It Now project and we are using the amazing scoring wheel. You are going to love it and you only need a couple of supplies. So let's get started. You'll need an assortment of black cardstock, white cardstock, and one sheet of orange cardstock, buttons, an ATG gun, a bone folder, silk flowers, a light grip Cricut mat, your scoring wheel, and your Cricut maker. Alright, when you're ready to make your project, what you're going to do is click the link below and you're going to open our project in Design Space. You're going to see all of the materials that you need to cut on your mat. You're going to see that we're making a few different boxes so that we're able to create our snowman and have a lot of fun. I have everything ready for you, so all you need to do is click Make It. It's going to go ahead and arrange all of your projects onto the different Cricut mats that you need. As you can see here, we are going to do quite a bit of scoring and cutting for each of our white and black pieces of paper. So what we're going to do is this all looks good. So we're going to click Continue. And it's going to connect to our Cricut Maker via Bluetooth. While that connects, we're going to grab our first sheet of white cardstock and apply it onto our light grip Cricut mat. When you have that down, you can go ahead and load it into your machine. We're going to select medium cardstock because we're using an 80-pound cardstock. And it's going to let you know that we need to attach our scoring wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our scoring wheel. I have our knife blade in, so all we have to do is open clamp B, pull out our knife blade, and then just pop in our scoring wheel. Once you're ready to go, our light grip mat is loaded into our machine. We have our scoring wheel. We're going to press the flashing Cricut button. Alright guys, once it's already done with the scoring, you're going to see a notification pop up that says install your fine point blade. Again, all we're going to do is open clamp B and we're going to pull out our scoring wheel and we're just going to pop in our fine point blade. Once you're ready to go, all you need to do is press the flashing Cricut button again. Alright guys, it's finished cutting our first mat, so all we're going to do is press the unload button. And then we're going to remove our excess cardstock. Toss that to the side. And then a great tip when you're cutting paper, flip it over and you're just going to fold this with the table. And it's that easy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to repeat this process to all of the rest of the layers and then we're going to come back. Alright guys, we've cut out all the layers thanks to following along in Design Space. Don't they make it so easy for us? I am so grateful that that is there for us. As you can see, it's a little overwhelming to have all of these layers here. No worries, because what we're going to do now is take our bone folder and we're just going to go ahead and start scoring all of the folds. So all you do is fold this and then score it with a bone folder. So you just take it, fold a layer, and just give it a nice crease. So the bone folder really helps crease the scoring lines that the Cricut makes, which we are so grateful for. So you just want to go through all of the different layers that have scoring lines and score them now. Alright guys, we went through and scored all of our pieces. The next thing we're going to do is take our ATG gun, and on all of these little piece edges, we're going to apply adhesive and start building our 3D shapes. It's super easy. We're just going to go through for each layer and apply adhesive on each spot, just like so. Alright guys, we built all 3 of our different tiered boxes with our ATG gun. We have it all ready to go. The final step is to be able to use hot glue to actually secure down all 3 of the boxes, and then we're going to attach all of our accessories. So our silk flower, our paper bow, carrot nose, and buttons. It's super simple. What did you guys think of today's project? I had so much fun building another 3D project with you. Cricut Design Space makes it so easy for you to follow their tutorials and make awesome projects, but I love breaking down every single step in a video for you. If you all would like to see more 3D projects, I'll link a few more that we've made. We've made a cactus, we've made a cake stand, and they're so much fun. But be sure to find all the information for this project down below, and be sure to leave me a comment about what video you'd like to see next. As always, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY videos with Cricut. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.